Hi.
Hello,
Hi,
Khatija. Hello,
ma'am.
Khatija. What session do you have now?
Which section?
Yes, session.
Science, ma'am. Science. Section.
No, it's not science.
Huh?
You see me all the time, no? That is why you say,
Math. Math.
yeah,
Math.
yeah. It's maths. It's maths. Okay, it's maths. So Vidhi ma'am and Malika ma'am will join soon. Okay.
But at least, can you?
I know. I have not done anything. You can play if you want, Khatija.
Okay.
Okay. Mohammed, how are you, Mohammed? Muhammad Ali, how are you?
Good
Um,
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Musfira. Good morning, Mariam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Malika ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you, Mohammed? Vidhi ma'am is not here, right?
Yes, ma'am. I
I'm
can't
fine,
see.
Alhamdulillah, teacher.
You're fine. Wow, that's nice. Are you enjoying the classes, Mohammed? Yes. Have you
But
made
only,
friends, Mohammed?
but but only I don't like the times when all the students shout.
Oh,
They
yes,
don't raise their
really.
hands.
Yes, yes. We'll teach them, Mohammed. Don't worry. Okay, Mohammed?
And now I know how to put the raise hand picture.
Oh, yes, you have learned that also. The reaction one, right, Mohammed?
Really? When I
Okay, and
because
you too, Mariam. So nice to
because
see you, Mariam, with yellow scarf. You
teacher
look lovely. Yes,
teacher
yes.
because when I put my hand for so long my hand pains.
You should tell Shazia, ma'am, I want to say something. Okay, next time. Okay. Malika ma'am, can you introduce something like the concepts of subtraction or something, because I can't find Vidhi ma'am right now. So can you take
Yes,
over?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Not an
I'll
issue.
just call Vidhi ma'am and just check where is she. Huh?
Okay, ma'am. So we will not wait for other children to join, ma'am, because I can only see 3 of them.
Because it's already 10 o'clock, we should not waste time maybe. So you can just start the concept, maybe try to explain them. And once the Vidhi ma'am is there, we'll start the breakout room.
Okay, ma'am. I'll just try to share my first screen, ma'am, with them till then.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I can do that? Yeah.
Huh. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, so what are you all doing now? You all are doing subtraction. Yesterday, day before yesterday, what you all did in your class?
We
Yes,
have did
Mohammed.
minus.
Oh, you all did minus. Musfira, what did you all do? Hi, Khadija. Good morning. Can you all please unmute yourself? Can everybody unmute yourself so that I can hear you all?
Okay.
Hi, Zainab. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So you all are doing now minus, right?
Yes.
So what you all like, addition or minus? What you all like more?
We are doing both. I like both. I like both.
Muhammad, I can't hear you. Can you please unmute yourself?
I like both.
Okay, Maria Musfir. Yes, yes, Muhammad. Tell me.
I like anything. Teacher.
Yeah, Umaima likes everything. She especially likes minus. You all know why? Because all birds and animals, they come and snatch away all her fruits and they take away. So she enjoys that. Yes, no? Umaima?
Yes.
There are no birds
Or
and animals
ma'am,
which come and add
because
to a
like
fruit.
some insects like bees, they go to the flowers and some flowers make fruits like that. So that means it's like a minus, right?
Yes, it is. But y'all know y'all were not in a class. Now ask Umaima what all happened. Every time she used to bring new fruit, some or the other animal or bird used to come and take away her fruits, not bad. But because Umaima is a very sweet girl, she told, no, ma'am, no problem. I love to share my fruits with these birds. Yes, Mohammed.
Teacher, I like
Yes.
plus.
Oh, you like plus, you don't like minus?
Actually, I don't know minus properly.
He will teach you, okay? Once you know minus properly, then you will like minus also, okay?
I like plus and minus.
You like plus and minus both. Wow.
I like both too. I like
Oh,
plus.
you
I
also
also like
like.
both.
Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot
Yes.
see the minus. I like both.
Okay. Zainab. This is Zainab, right?
Yes.
Okay. Isn't Zainab likes both? Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay. I'll be back. Just give me a minute.
Ma'am, I like the both plus and minus. I like both.
That's very nice, Musfira. Just give me 2 minutes, dear. Please. Uh,
What is still left?
yeah. Just give me a
Everyone,
minute and I'm.
everyone, please mute yourselves.
Malika
Okay.
ma'am, now you can share the screen. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, I'll take over with everybody now.
Yes. Maybe Vidhi ma'am. I just called her and she said she'll be joining. So just
Okay, ma'am.
start with the concept, then we'll do the breakout room.
Okay, ma'am. Sure. Sure, I'll do that. Just give me a minute.
Amara, please turn on your screen.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good morning,
Musfira.
Musfira Rizvani.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
Okay. Okay. Wow. What can y'all see on your screen now?
Balloons.
So lovely, lovely balloons, no?
Balloons. Yes.
Yes.
Glam paper.
They
Balloon.
all are balloons. Who likes balloons?
Me. Me,
Oh,
teacher. Glam
Mariam
paper.
likes. Wow. Okay. So now can anybody read this? Okay, who is scribbling here?
Owland.
Musfira. No, okay, it is not Musfira. Then who is this naughty child?
Ma'am, I'll try
Yes.
to use it. It's Muhammad Ali.
Okay. Can you please erase that so that we can read the sum? Who likes to read? You all should
14.
raise the hand, okay? Not
I
all
did.
together. Okay, Ali. Ali will read. Okay, Ali.
There are 14 balloons. Why balloons? So, how many balloons are left?
Okay, thank you so much, Ali. Okay, now it says that there are 14 balloons in all, okay? And if 5 balloons,
Ma'am, do we have to write the answer?
yes, please, y'all can do this in your spiral binding book.
Ma'am, choose our exam paper.
1 minute, one by one. Yes, Ali.
I'm getting the answer.
Okay, but there are few of them. We'll all be together, okay? Now they say that together there are 14 balloons. Yes, yes, Khadija.
9.
Okay. So
No,
because
it's
it is
10. It's 10.
no,
10.
please check your answer. Okay, Amara is a new student. Hi, Amara. Good morning. Okay, Amara. You understood what are we talking about? You like to do sums? You like numbers? Okay. Now what
Vidhi
is here?
ma'am
There are
has
14
joined.
balloons,
Vidhi
no?
ma'am has joined.
Okay, Vidhi ma'am has joined. Hi, Vidhi ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Sorry I'm late.
That's absolutely okay, ma'am. I was just sharing a screen with them.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Now,
Vidhi ma'am is
Darshana,
here. Yes, Khatija, tell me.
can you
Uh,
start breakout room? Since
okay.
she joined.
Vidhi ma'am has already joined. Thank you for informing me, Khatija.
You're welcome. Ma'am, did you send the assignment?
No,
Yes.
no, I did not send the assignment. I thought we'll do some practice first and then we'll do the homework.
Ma'am, you will send it today.
I'll send it today.
9, ma'am. The answer is 9.
Miss, I don't hear you.
Okay. Has Umar not joined?
Umar, no, ma'am. I can't see Umar. I
Yes.
can't even see Manha, ma'am. I can only see Umaima and the father team.
Yes. 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 Yes.
The answer is 9 of the
Yes,
question.
thank you.
Okay.
Breakout
Please join
room.
in the proper respective breakout room. You need to
I
accept it.
joined breakout room join.
Muhammad Ali, you have to accept that. Amara, you have to accept it. Okay, then only you'll go to the breakout room number 1. You have to accept it. Just accept. Amara, I'm not able to hear you, Amara. I'll put you again in the breakout room and just accept it. Okay. Amara, you're already joined. Okay. Room 2. Just accept, Amara. Just accept it.
Ma'am, yet not received.
You have not received. Let me check. Did you receive now?
No, no, ma'am. Should I
Because
leave the meeting and rejoin?
no need to do that. I'll just try it one more time. Let me check. Why it's showing? It has to show like just join room number 1 or 2. So you have
I
to just
think
accept it.
it had shown, it was on the screen. I think she has accepted it.
But then why she is not in room number 1? Okay. Just let me try it one more time.
Yeah.
Move to Acha, I'll just check. Wait. Move to room number 2. I'm coming to you. Did she get that screen?
Nothing is showing on the screen, ma'am.
Okay. Just try to log in again, maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it Sabiha, right? Am I speaking to
Yeah,
Sabiha? Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. Please. Acha, mummy is coming. See, I will do one thing. Now nothing is coming. Acha, join. Okay, 1 minute. I'll.
You. His name is Isa.
Wow. So we start cracking. Now it's cracking.
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am. No, when you talk, your voice cracks a little bit and then it don't come.
Okay. Work. Network.
And its type of it is echoing. Ma'am, I cannot see you.
See me now?
No. Only 9 people are there. Yes, only 9 children are there. And 1 teacher. It makes 10. 200. First it is showing C3 1 4 1 4 1 2. It's again. No, ma'am.
Teacher, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, we can't hear you. Yes, ma'am. We can hear. We can hear. Ma'am, come. That's why. We can't hear you, ma'am.
We can't hear you.
You can see me?
Yeah, we can see you,
We can see.
but we can't hear.
Louder and louder.
Okay.
Isa. Isa, no. Try this. Fifteen minus 13. Ma'am, 13.
Teacher, we can't hear you properly.
Ma'am has writing there in the board. You can copy it. You want to do. And
Vidhi ma'am, your voice is not clear. Is there
Can't
any
hear you
issue?
properly.
I can hear you clearly. Actually, I can hear you clearly.
Okay, just copy whatever Vidhi ma'am has written on the whiteboard and try to solve it.
Ma'am, I got you the answer. I just said it.
What is the answer?
Don't ask the answer. Yeah, because they might copy us, so don't ask us answers.
Mohammed, you need to just copy the questions, okay? And then later on solve by yourself.
Questions?
Ma'am, I don't understand that third question.
It's 8 minus
5 minus
5 minus
5 minus 7.
yes.
Ma'am, I don't understand that 5 minus 7. You want to write 5 minus 7 or 7 minus 5?
Yes, very good. Very good. I was waiting for this. I was waiting for this. So one thing I want to tell you, one thing I'll tell you, see, these are very small calculations. Just we'll do it one by one. Okay? Have you written the questions? Mohammed, have you written the question? Mohammed? Everybody, can you tell me a bit?
Vidhi ma'am, we can hear you, but the voice is not clear.
Writing. Why you have written the answer? I have already get it.
Okay, I want you to copy the questions and then we will learn how to do subtractions one by one. Okay? I hope everybody has copied the questions.
Ma'am, I'm copying the questions, but I'm writing the answers.
Okay, you can only copy the question. You don't need to write the answer. We'll solve it one by one. You can just copy the questions. Okay?
But I want to do the answers too.
You can do the answers, but do it very quickly.
No,
Mohammed?
I mean write the answers. Write the answers.
Okay. So we'll start with where's Musfira Sayyed? Musfira Sayyed?
Yes, ma'am. I'm writing the questions.
Very good. So can you give me the first one? See, there are two methods to solve. You know, either you can go backward or you can go forward. Give me the answer. What's the first answer? Mohammed, do you want to answer the question? Mohammed? Mohammed, unmute yourself. Mohammed, unmute yourself. Yes, answer me. Mohammed, answer me.
Ali, mute yourself, please. There is background voice.
Teacher. Teacher, I can't hear you properly.
Can you answer the first question? Mohammed, can you answer the first question?
The first question is 9 minus 5.
It's 9 minus 5. So how do you calculate things? You know, you have to keep the smaller number in the mind. It is a different method I'm teaching you. You have to keep the smaller number in the mind. Give a smaller number. 5. You have to keep 5 in the mind and you have to go forward. So 6, 8, 9. So how many steps do you go forward?
It's 4. 9 minus by 4.
Oh, yes.
Mama.
Amara, the new student Amara. Amara, can you hear me?
Ma'am, it is not Amara. It is yeah. Amara. Yes, Amara. It's not Amara. Amara.
It's Amara, right?
Yes.
Amara, what's your name? Can you give what's your name?
My name.
Amara, what's your name? Mariam?
Amara. Asking your name.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, next sum. Next sum.
What? I write the question.
Okay. Mariam, just unmute yourself, Mariam. Mariam, yourself. Mariam, just unmute yourself. Hey, you have to click on the unmute button. Mariam, unmute yourself. You're muted.
Ma'am, I done.
Okay, very good. Mariam, unmute yourself. Mariam, you're muted.
Yes, ma'am.
2-digit number.
Okay, can we solve a second sum?
I can hear her nicely. Ma'am, does it change every time?
Huh?
Change every time.
7 minus 5.
Yes, Mariam, can you solve the second sum? Mind, I count the mind, and I
Breakfast also.
7.
7. So how many steps did I go forward?
7 minus 4.
Vidhi ma'am, the voice is not clear at all.
Ma'am, can you give me a second?
Yeah, please take your time. And Vidhi ma'am, yes, Mariam, tell me what happened, Mariam?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
Mariam.
don't know plus and minus.
So you don't know the subtraction, Mariam? How to subtract?
Yes.
Okay, so I will ask Vidhi ma'am personally to explain you what is subtraction. Okay, Mariam? Mohammed,
Okay, ma'am.
Mohammed and Amara, are you able to solve the sum?
Shadia, ma'am, I done it.
You have done it? Good.
I can. Shadia, ma'am, I done it.
Just wait, one by one, okay? I can't hear everybody together. So, okay, Ali, go ahead. What you were saying?
I have done it done.
You did it. Wow, that's lovely, Ali. Okay, what about Mohammed?
Ma'am, does it change every time?
What a change every time, Zainab?
Just is equal.
Sums. I didn't get Zainab. What you said.
The sum change.
Sums are always different, right? Vidhi ma'am will not give you one sums all the time, right?
No.
Then
The different like ma'am.
okay, you are not able to copy all the sums, Zainab. Are you saying that? Okay. I'll ask Vidhi ma'am to go little slow. Okay, Zainab.
This one.
Okay. Because Vidhi ma'am is facing some internet issues. We'll just wait for some time. Okay.
How 9?
Mohammed, what about you? Can you solve the subtractions?
Yes.
Okay, can you hear me now?
5%.
Vidhi ma'am, we can hear you, but there's a lot of disturbance in your voice. Vidhi ma'am, can we do one thing as such? Till that time, you can just fix your sound. I'll ask Malika ma'am to take the class.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
But when I write it, the all answered.
Good. Good, Musfira. Very nice. Lovely.
But I'm not done the all sums.
We'll do it together. Musfira, we have some problem. We'll do it together.
Shaja ma'am, you're muted.
Thank you, Umaima. Thank you. Vidhi ma'am is facing some problem, internet issues. We can't hear her properly. So can you take over the class?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. I'll do that.
Just go with the basic one, Malika ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. That is all. I'll just delete because I was doing it with Uma. Fine. Umaima and Mustafa, we will do it later, okay? For now, just forget this.
And Malika ma'am, our new students, they don't know the concept of subtraction. Maybe you can start from the beginning and then you can take over, and rest of the class can solve the subtraction sums. Can you do that, ma'am?
Okay, ma'am. So what you want me to do? I'll just put some subtraction somewhere and they can
Yes, so-
continue.
Yes.
Okay.
Just give them some sums so that they can solve the subtraction sums, and you can just explain Mariam and Mohammed and Amara little basic
Okay,
about
okay.
subtractions.
Okay, ma'am. Not an issue. So everybody has whiteboard, right? It is very much visible. I am going to put down some sums here. Others will solve that sums. Until then, I will speak to the new students, okay? I'll just try to put some sums.
I can't see what you are writing because the light is falling on the board.
Now,
Yes. Now we can see.
152 minus
Ma'am, we want to write the question.
you will start doing your subtraction. Start doing, you all have done carry over, right? You all have done carry over, right? I'm not asking Mustafa and Umaima. Yes, you all have done. No, fine, please.
Ma'am, Malika ma'am, I think the new ones, the new children, I think they won't understand the.
Yes, for that reason, I have put up some sums here for y'all to solve, so that till that time I can teach them. Is that okay? So y'all can just
Okay.
mute yourself and y'all can do this sum so that I can speak to them. Okay, Khadija? So, Amara, yes, yes. Amara,
And ma'am, can you bring your
Mohammed,
screen
and
and
Mariam.
to your board?
Can I please
Can you bring
see
your
y'all,
screen?
Mariam, Mohammed and Amara?
Malika ma'am, am I audible? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm audible,
I
completely
can
audible.
hear you.
Clearly, clearly.
I can hear you.
It's not cracking, right?
Ma'am, I can hear
Hello,
you too.
everybody. Can you all please be quiet for 1 minute? Vidhi, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm audible. No clear sound. There's no cracking.
No, ma'am.
no,
Vidhi ma'am, it's breaking.
It's breaking. It's
Yes,
still breaking.
yes, it's still breaking.
And it's
Vidhi
not
ma'am.
breaking. No, ma'am, your voice is not breaking.
We'll see. We'll give some time to Vidhi ma'am. Musfira, Umaima will give some time to Vidhi ma'am, okay? And we'll try to solve the sums which Malika ma'am has given. Is it all right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Others can just mute yourself and start doing the sum. while I'll just speak for some time with Mohammed, Mariam, and Amara. Okay? Mariam, please unmute yourself. Even Mohammed, can you please unmute yourself? And Amara also. Okay, I will tell you all one story. You all like to hear story?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You all know one day what happened? You all know this Umayma in the class, no?
Yeah.
Your friend, your new friend, yeah. One day, no, she was sitting with lot of apples there. She was sitting with 9 apples. How many apples?
9.
9 apples. And she told that I'm going to eat all of them today because apple is a favorite fruit. But what happened, you know, she was sitting near the window. So this one naughty squirrel came in and he took away 4 apples because she was sitting near the window and there was a tree near her window. And on that tree, who was sitting? A squirrel. Yes. So that squirrel came in and he took away how many apples, Mariam?
4.
4 apples. So now how many apples did she have first? Amara, can you hear me? Where are you?
9.
First she had 9 apples and now squirrel took away how much?
4.
4 apples. So now how many apples do Umayma have? Can you all please tell me? 5. Very good. How you all came to know she has 5 apples?
Because the 5 is 9 and you add 4 becomes 5.
Yes. So this take away, took away, went away, or somebody took, that means you'll have to minus, you'll have to reduce, which is known as subtraction. Okay? Simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed, Mariam. Mariam, you understood?
No.
Didn't understand? You didn't understand, Mariam? See what happened? I told you Umayma was eating apples. How many apples Umayma had, Mariam? Mariam, can you hear me?
7.
Mariam, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. So how many apples did Umayma have? She had 9 apples, no?
Yes.
And the squirrel took how many apples from her?
4.
4. Now when you have 9 apples and the squirrel took away 4 apples, now how many apples are there with her?
5.
5. So you understood, no? It is so simple. Now we will take one more example, okay? For example, Mariam likes chocolates and Mariam has 8 chocolates. How many chocolates?
8.
My God, you're going to eat 8 chocolates, Mariam? Then you'll have to go to a dentist. Yes
I
or no?
cannot understand in this edition.
Yes, Ali, what you cannot understand?
You have written 28. Don't understand that.
28 minus 14.
Yes, I am just doing the first time writing 28
Yes,
upside
Musfira,
and
1
14
minute.
downside.
What you're not understanding, Ali?
I am writing up like this. See.
Malika ma'am, the board is too far actually. It's not very visible.
Is it okay, ma'am, now?
Like this one.
Yes, yes. Now it's proper.
Yes, Ali, yes.
See it. I am writing like this.
Yes. Correct, no, Ali? You wrote 28 minus 14 and you got the answer as 14. Yes, I can see that it is correct.
I am writing in another direction.
It is okay. I have written this for y'all. Y'all have to write it one below the other. What you have done is perfectly correct. Okay, Ali? It is okay if you write in any direction, but you all must come out with a proper correct answer. Yes, Musfira Rizwani?
I don't understand some.
It sums. You did the first one, 28 minus 14.
Ma'am, I'm done with all of the sums.
Thank you, Mustafa. Can you please wait for some time? See, I'll do the first sum for everybody, okay? Now, the first sum is 28 minus 14. Correct? Can you all see the board?
Yes.
Now, what is 8 minus 4? 8 minus 4 is how much?
Ma'am, you have writing in another direction. That's why I cannot do. You have writing in this direction. That's why.
Ali, you have written like this, no? Ali,
Yes.
you have
Yes.
written the way I have done now. So that is right. You all have to write in that way only. I'll show you the other sum also. For example, 152 minus. Now the next number is 28. This is a 3-digit number. Correct? 100, 10s and 1s. The next number 152 minus 28 is a 2-digit. So you will write here. Understood?
Yes. Then it will be.
Simple. Understood?
Yes. Yes.
Now you have to minus 2 minus 8. Can you minus 8 from 2?
I get it the answer. 100.
Mariam, please don't put your pencil inside your ears.
132.
It will hurt you. Do not put your pencil.
Ma'am, 132.
Okay. So 8 minus 2, we cannot do, you cannot remove 8 from 2. So what we will do, you will carry from 5. So this becomes 12. And because you carried from 5, you will get 4. Okay?
Teacher, I can't understand anything.
Yeah, don't pay attention here. Mohammed, this is not for you. I'll just come back to you. Give me 1 minute, okay? So now, 12 minus 8 is how much, Ali?
We want to, my mama said this, we want to just make a small line, not make full.
Yes. And 4 minus 2 is how much?
2.
You will write this one as it is here. So what is your answer? 124. Okay. Now can you all please do the next sums? 900 minus 100. Okay, Mariam and Muhammad and Amara. Okay, I told you all that Mariam has how many chocolates?
8.
8 chocolates. Oh my God. And Muhammad eats 3 chocolates from that. How many chocolates did Muhammad take? 3. So that your teeth is fine. So that you don't have to go to the dentist. Muhammad took 3 chocolates from you. So now, if Mariam has 8 chocolates and Muhammad took 3 chocolates, how many chocolates you have, Mariam? 5. Understood? Suppose I have 2 pens with me. I have how many pens with me?
2.
And if after some time I say that my 1 pen is not with me, I don't have 1 pen. So how many pen am I left with?
1.
Only 1. So you all understood minus? Amara? Now suppose I have 6. Yes, Amara, you know minus? Very good. That's nice. So we'll try to do one sums now, Maria, Mohammed and Amara. Now suppose I have 6
Malik,
marbles
put your camera.
and I
Can
give
you?
4 marbles. Yes,
Malika
yes, you
ma'am.
stop. Yes.
Can you put your camera a little side? Done.
Okay. Now this is only for Muhammad, Mariam and Amara. Suppose I have 6 marbles and I give 4 marbles to Mariam. Now how many marbles will I have? Tell me.
Mohammed
Yes,
is
Mohammed.
calling you.
I need to go and
Mohammed, tell me what is the answer?
5.
No, first take 6 on your fingers. You have 6 marbles. And if I give 4 marbles to Muhammad, now take away 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many marbles are left with you?
2.
Simple. Understood?
Yes.
Let us do few more, okay? Suppose I have 9 chocolates now.
Yeah.
I take away 5 chocolates. Muhammad, tell me what is the answer? Okay, Amara will tell us. Amara, tell me what is the answer?
Ma'am.
1 minute, Khatija, I'm coming to you, please. Amara,
Okay.
can you tell me what is the answer?
Okay. 4.
Oh, very good, Amara. Excellent, very nice. Okay,
Ma'am,
now
you
I
can
will give
share
one some.
your screen. Ma'am,
Yes, yes,
I've done
Khatija.
all 4 questions, but it's mixed with Vidhi ma'am's question.
Yeah, that's okay because today Vidhi ma'am is facing some internet issue. That is the reason we are doing it all together. Okay. Later she'll check. Yes. Now this next sum Mariam will do. Okay. Now how Amara did. Mariam, you also have to do. Okay. Suppose you have.
I did
8
all 4
balls.
questions, ma'am.
How many balls you have, Mariam? 8.
8.
And if I tell you that you give me 6 balls. Now how many balls are there with you? Come on, Mariam, tell me. Take 8 on your fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many balls you have now?
4.
No. How many balls you had? 8. So you have to take 8 fingers, not 10. Only take 8 fingers, which is a bigger number. 8, no? Now from 8, you have to minus 6. Minus 6.
I have 2.
Very good. Now you have 2. Very nice. So what? You never have to take 10 fingers all the time. You have to see which number is here on the top. When you see that number, you have to take the fingers. Okay? Yes, Khadija. Everybody, all have finished with the sum. Umar, good morning. You have just joined our.
Yes.
Okay, Umar. Now we are ending this class here because it is already 10:15. You all have to. We will meet in the next class. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everybody. Bye. Take care.
Next class. 292108. How many classes? English.
We will meet each other in our next math class. Okay?
Math.
Bye.
Shazia ma'am.
Yes, Khatija.
Shazia ma'am.
Yes, Khatija.
I think
Next class, join at 11 o'clock. We have science, okay? Just be ready with your science textbook.
Ma'am,
Yes.
eraser.
Yes, Yes, Umar.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Umar.
30% will be 3 upon 10.
Umar, I'm not able to hear. Please, everyone, mute yourself. Just a minute.
My sister said that the class is in 11 o'clock, but my mom said it was at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock we have maths, Umar, and 11 o'clock we have science. Okay, understood. So 11 o'clock join again. Okay, Umar, your class starts at 10 o'clock, right? 10 o'clock we had maths, and now at 11 o'clock we'll have science.
Ma'am, I don't understand any sum.
Who's saying that? Who said? Mariam? Mariam?
Daddy, go.
Yes, Mariam, tell me.
Ma'am, it is not Mariam, it is Musfira Rizwani.
Oh,
She
Musfira
wants to
Rizwani.
ask something.
Yes, Musfira Rizwani, tell me.
I don't understand sum.
Oh, you didn't understand anything, Musfira Rizwani. From next time, you will get Vidhi ma'am. Don't worry, Musfira. Okay? She will explain you again. Okay, that is it all right, Musfira? Okay, chalo. Bye-bye, everyone. We'll meet at 11 o'clock. Bye-bye.
Yes, bye.
Bye.